Hello guys, welcome to Design and Tech Hub YouTube channel and welcome to another episode of an amazing video. In this video, I will be showing you how I created this with Pixellab using the Pixellab on the smartphone. Basically, this can be created easily with Photoshop. It is mainly, I've been seeing it, and I've been wondering how it is being created. I got to know it can be easily created using Photoshop. The system are software Photoshop. But all thanks to already to AAA Classic, a friend of mine who get districts who was able to create this with the Pixellab app, and I got to see this on his Instagram handle and felt like creating video on this. So if you want to know more about design tips and tricks using Pixellab, more Pixellab tips and tricks, I will put in the link to his Instagram and in the video description so you can give him a follow and follow more Pixellab tricks and tips. So, but before we dive into the video, please click on the subscribe button and put on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload new and amazing video. And as for the returning viewers, thank you, I really appreciate. Without any further ado, let's dive into the video. So yeah, the first thing to do, let me change my background. So I'm going to be changing the background to something clear which can be easily seen. So moving on is creating. The first thing we will be doing in creating this broken dot is to create a shape. You create a shape to suit your taste. It might be a shape like this with edges. It might be one without edges, that the edges will be curved, that won't have a sharp edge. So you create a shape to suit your taste. So after doing that, the next thing I'm going to do is I'll create a shape like this. You can see this shape has been created. You can see this is a shape. The shape has been created now. So the next thing I'm going to do is copy this shape. I'll copy this shape, then move back to shape editing. Reduce the opacity of this. I will reduce it to 0. The shape I copied, remember earlier I copied a shape, then move back to shape editing. So I will reduce the opacity for this, then increase the stroke width to something like 3 or 4 to suit your taste. How thick you want this broken dot, how you want it to be. So you do it to suit your taste. So just like this. So this is it. So you can see one is stroke and one is shape. We have one as stroke, we have one as shape. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is move to text, create a text. So new text, then under text here, there is a sign on the keyboard. Once you click on this, you change your keyboard to numeric. Once you change it from alphabet to numeric, then you click on this equal sign where we have the equal sign here on top of ABC here. Then you click on this, then you will see this 1 2 3, this the third one here. So you make it as much as you want. So I'm going to make that as much as I want. So just like this. So you can see this. Here it is. So you can see this. I'm going to change the color of this. I'm going to change it to white and make it bold. Due to the font of my phone, due to the font I'm using for my phone, this is not bold enough. So probably if your font is bold, or you can change the font for these lines. What I will just do is to increase the bold, go to style, and I will increase the boldness of it like this. Then I'll move to spacing. The spacing between the lines is too small, so I will move to spacing to increase the spacing like this. So just like this, I will increase the spacing and then place it on top of the shape here. So I will place it on top of the shape here. It is not enough, so I will have to put more of this. So just like this. Yeah, we have to remove some, it's too much. So just like this, I will copy this and place it on the down part here, or the one beneath. I will place it like this. So I will place this here. So just like this, I'm going to place this here, and then I will copy this again. I'll copy this again and then rotate it. You rotate it. This will be 90, angle 90. So you rotate it to angle 90. So this will be angle 90. Then we place it here. It is too much, so we delete away some. So we'll move back to text editing to delete some of these away. It is still so we delete some of these away. These has disappeared from the screen too. So just like this. We still have to delete some. Then we place it at the edge of this. It will be placed here. So just like this, I'll copy this and place it here. And place it here like this. So this will be placed here. So just like this. Then the next thing after doing this is to merge these white lines and the black stroke beneath the white lines. I'm going to merge everything together. So we'll move on to this. You click on this. You click on this here. Then you select the stroke and the lines. You select everything. Then you click on merge here or merge everything together. So everything has been merged together now. Then move to erase color. Remove the erase color and enable this. You can see the white color is now erased off. So we can easily place this on top of this. So if you want to create it for any other shape, all you just have to do is to create a shape to suit your taste and follow the process. You create another one. After creating the shape, you create another one in stroke. So just to suit your taste. So this is how this is being created. This is how it was created. This is how you can create it using Pixellab app. Please, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, and you can follow 𝗧𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪 on Instagram for more Pixellab tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.